was a boy, very strange, enchanted boy. Said he wandered very far, over land and sea. A little shy, with saddened eyes. Very wise was he. Then one day, a magic day, he passed my way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you could ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. To 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 be loved, to be loved, to be loved in return. Yeah. Then one day, one magic day, he passed my way. And as we spoke of many things, fools and kings, this he said to me: the greatest thing you could ever learn is just to love and be loved in return. To be loved in return. To be loved in return. To be loved in return. And be loved in return. To be loved in return. Just to love and be loved in return. To be loved.